Hey guys, I wanted to do kind of like a first impression demo on this product, the Nurse Jamie Instant Uplift Massaging Beauty Roller. Beauty rollers are not like a new thing. The last like 6 to 8 months, they've been very like blown up on Instagram, but this was the first one that really excited me, really caught my eye. I cannot wait to try it out. I just want to say, like, I don't have super high expectations or results or anything from this, but I am really excited to try it out. It's supposed to help kind of like uplift your face, tone it. This is an innovative rolling massager for the face and body that temporarily improves and uplifts your skin's appearance. It's supposed to utilize unique rhythmic rolling action, which replicates like Nurse Jamie's signature facials and like spa type of treatments. It has the massaging stones. It says there are 24 stones, suitable for most skin types, no batteries, portable, great for travel. I have always had like a more round, kind of like puffy face, a little bit on the chubs, with like the double chin and stuff. It's just, I think, like hereditary and like genetic. I've seen great reviews. Surprised at how big it is on Instagram and like people's stories when they use it. It doesn't always look this large, but this box is like 10 inches. They sell it at like Nordstrom, Sephora, Derm Store. I think HSN has it. Kind of shopped around online and I ended up buying mine from Derm Store because if you've never bought from them, if you sign up on email, you can save 20%. So that's what I did to save a little bit of money. I will link it there below for you guys, but I'll also link like Sephora and a bunch of other places. So if you're curious about this, I'll put a link. All right, so in the box, there's like a little pamphlet, like instructions, and this tells just a little bit about it. It shows how you use it on your different like facial points. You can use it on the brow area, under eye, under your chin, your body, décolleté, neck. This feels a lot heavier than I thought, which makes sense because it was a lot bigger than I thought. It feels very nice, like substantial. It says to massage each desired area for 30 to 45 seconds. Use daily for optimal results. It's supposed to help for a more renewed, youthful looking you. And then it actually tells you how to do it for each section. For cheeks, it says roll the tool using upward strokes to achieve a lifting effect. Roll the tool from chin up to cheek, working along contours of the cheekbone. So like this. Really cooling. Like, it feels very good on the skin. I don't really know how I'm supposed to notice a difference in like how it looks. Like I said, I don't really feel like I am expecting significant results, but a little bit of a red mark there. I don't know if you guys could see it. That one was definitely like a little bit more uncomfortable. I always worry about my under eyes, just like dark circles and like fine lines and wrinkles. This feels so good. I don't have as much concern about my arms as I do like my double chin, but this feels nice. That feels so good. Digging how it feels even if it does nothing. Is this weird, you guys? I watch people doing this on Instagram all the time. Sometimes it's just like funny because they're just like... So I think I've shown you guys me rolling this enough. So far, I love this. I have no idea right now whether it's done anything because it's only been like 5 minutes, but I will keep using this and I'll keep trying it out. If you'd like me to do like a follow-up video later or more like a review after several weeks of trying it, let me know below in the comments or give it a thumbs up, something like that. And I would love to do that. So far, this is so cool. And I know it's kind of hard to know like, you know, how stuff works just using it after 5 minutes, but I thought it would be fun to just do like a demo, like a first impression. I was curious because I know you see stuff on Instagram, I do all the time, and it's like celebrities and all these people use it and you never know if it's good or if it's actually something that's like worth trying, but I don't know, you guys, this one feels so good. That is not a thing. I'll put links to it below, so if you want to go check it out, read like reviews, read about it, definitely check those out below. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you guys very soon. Bye.